So in this flow, you will understand that where you need to implement that security and how the microservices is basically a diagram or maybe the architecture it is. So maybe if you have a client application, React app, Angular app, you are accessing through a browser here. So you will connect to an API gateway, and API gateway from that you will send it to some other services. Let's say it is a particularly a payment banking or banking application, customer service, account service, beneficiary service, fund transfer service, and it is connecting to account validation service and the customer validation service here, correct? So here you will basically implement all other security at the API gateway so that you don't need to implement on all these services here. And once you add this authentication or maybe all other security aspect on API gateway, you will secure all other services here. So when you are trying to get this API gateway will connect maybe connected to a one particular authorization server. Maybe let's say Gmail, maybe it is a GitHub, maybe there are a different other you can say authorization server. We can authorize and give that access token. And once this access token has been issued, using that access token, they can connect to API gateway, and then from API gateway to particularly on all other services here. So this way you can implement the security in one place, right, on the API gateway, and you can secure all other services also, correct? This is a one of that design, right, for in the microservice architecture here. You can have also a multiple different angles in implementation for security implementations, right? So we have already discussed OR2, so you can implement the OR2 here, and you can say go with the security of implementation in the microservices here. So API gateway concept, I guess you are already aware about it. So you can go through again, and then you can implement that OR2 implementation with the try with the Gmail or maybe for GitHub, and you can complete the POC.